Welcome to Vagabond Vacations, Belgium. Behind me we have a very nice group of mostly Belgian models and a few exceptions of course. And all the photographers are anxiously waiting to shoot with them. But first, let me compose a nice group shot. I have something really cool in mind with this scenery. We got a library, piano, a walkway there. Show you what I'll do with this. So we got black and white sitting behind the piano, red on the piano. You can sit here and put your feet here and like read a magazine or something or a book. What I would like to try, two girls there behind the glass holding hands as if you're going somewhere.
Go on the side and try to work your way to the middle.
All right, everybody get in your roles. Yeah, looking great.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
I'll start with JC till the other people are a bit comfortable and getting in their group shooting. JC's gonna go for a POV shot. That's actually pretty cool.
Just hold it like this.
Yeah, you just need one hand. And here's your button. Do you have it?
Yes, I think.
Okay. Yeah, David, that's perfect. If you lean back like this. Okay. How do you play piano? Guys, I have all your legs in this reflection there.
Problem is, the guy cleaned the piano too much, so it's way too shiny, so we see all the reflections of everybody. We gotta move here.
Thank you. Awesome.
Yes, that's teamwork. Hello guys.
Hello.
It seems like a very chill spot for a photo shoot, to be honest.
It's a nice spot here of the house. There's like a railing and some library.
And use the tip of your fingers when you roll. Yeah, exactly. Look up with me, look up at the camera while you turn. Nice.
Always good to show your pictures to the models and see what you guys maybe together can still improve.
Love
So
it.
then it's really teamwork. See you guys later.
Thank you, later.
It's the first time I'm in this house, so honestly I don't know where everybody is.
You just missed out our private
Sonny,
photo shoot.
what's up, B?
We can of course show you, no worries.
Yes. Oh. I like the badass vibe here with the gun. I don't know if it's a real gun or not. Let's not point it at me.
It's a fake gun, just to be sure.
Alright,
It's an
okay.
alarm gun,
Yes.
but for some badass pics,
Yes.
it suits the picture.
Alright, let's check.
I like how Ron is really taking his time to just make some minor adjustments on the pose to get that perfect shot.
Sometimes you don't have to rush. You just gotta take your time to get the shot that you want.
Okay, arch, 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 arch. Turn the head a bit to your shoulder, like this. Yeah? Queen on her throne. And a badass queen.
Alright, this looks pretty cool with the boots actually.
Exactly.
Like the black of the boot just pops
Cool,
out
huh?
from the black of the chair, and then the legs
Exactly.
contrast with the
Very
background. Complicated when I arrive in a room and I see 3-4 people shooting to know which one I want to follow and show you.
So lift the strawberry up, keep it away from your mouth, and go slowly to catch it. Nice and slow towards your mouth. Amazing.
This was a very good idea because they want to see the strawberry, and Anushka was wearing these red gloves, but of course the red gloves and then the strawberry didn't really pop. Now the strawberry is in between her red lips and the skin color of her hands, which pops way more.
And you see the strawberry way better. I like how Pingu is using the painting there in the background for a bit of the color, which just looks really cool with
I want to see the contrast between the teeth and the strawberries.
Hello, Jirko, what's up?
I'm shooting! I always find it interesting to follow along with a female photographer because, you know, sometimes her eye just works differently and you can learn some new different ways of taking photos from it.
The girls are trying to censor each other. A bit difficult, but it's working out. I didn't see this. The girls are stuck together. I don't know, I guess that was an idea from the photographer.
Usually to get shots in an elevator, you kind of gotta do it publicly, but well, this guy has an elevator in his house, so this is pretty useful now.
For the shot. Oh, I like this pose for the curves of the leg.
Oh, I got you guys.
I like how she's kind of building more story in her shots. She started by taking some more like aesthetically based shots.
No idea what's going on, but it's for sure a story that you wonder what's going on here.
This is gonna be the location, bedroom. We got ample light falling in and I wanna shoot it from up top, but I like the fact that maybe you'll see some parts of the environment, so it's not just an empty dead space, but it's kind of a studio
Yes.
vibe.
What pictures are you choosing, sir?
I'm just gonna feel which ones.
I like this one.
Yeah, that's nice. Look towards the light more. I would like to open the hair more, you're right. Yeah, awesome. Awesome. Maybe that hand a little bit more on the side. Yeah, I like it. You're using the space more. Beautiful, beautiful. That's great. Open the lips a little bit. Awesome. Thank you.
Got it.
So we walk out of the room and then here's Jirko and Alessia.
There you are again.
Yes, and Alessia changed outfit, looks pretty cool.
I like the colors.
Yes, outfit, it really pops, very cool. Honestly, it looks super cool with kind of like darker here and more bright there. Probably what you were doing. Harry is using the window here now. Grab a little bit more of a silhouette shape. It looks pretty dope already here on camera. Still silhouette, but still a little more detail also in the shadow.
So we're gonna follow along here with the shot of Sonny. He's gonna position the girls around the piano.
I know. This is actually a great idea from Sonny to use this to shoot through the piano. It's pretty awesome.
One spot I took again.
Nothing that bad, I can do you no harm. But if you're gonna make me mad, no, don't ever make me mad. Cause if you're gonna make me mad, make me bad, make me bad. Gotta let it kiss.
So this is a pretty cool diversity and teamwork.
You hold it under her. No problem. Hold that on.
Beautiful.
For example, like here, they kind of just started with purely natural light, and now it's still natural light, but they're using some bounce. So Ari is shooting in black and white already, so you can see it in camera, how it's going to look.
Found the spot to take my nymph shot. So I asked all the girls to bring white lingerie and some white flowy dresses and stuff. I want to shoot it near that big tree so that the girls can kind of hide behind it and stuff.
And we are lucky because all day was kind of cloudy. Luckily we were inside, but now the sun is peeking through, which gives like a nice orange glow to the models.
Alessia, I want you here in the front. The rest more close to the tree. You and Danik can be in this area, moving around. I think we're gonna keep it pretty dynamic. To try a little bit less posing, a little bit more natural, maybe like kind of walking. You can maybe kind of crawl even. Yeah, let's do one without the grass in here. And look here. Okay, girls, you sit down here. And the girls go around her. You can be a little bit higher, you can be a little bit on the side. I just want everybody kind of around her. Fine, that looks good. Yeah, and you can look here. Can you look more here? Okay, then Natasha, I don't see you. Can you also be higher? So, yes. Keep your face even more sideways. Maybe play with Danik's hair this time, because now everything changed a bit, so... Yeah, this... Ale, less smiling, more dreaming.
Sometimes I have no idea what's going on when I'm filming, to be honest.